Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to let you guys know what happened when you have a bad blower motor, guys. A bad blower motor. But before we get into the video, I want to thank every single one of you who donate to my PayPal account. I really appreciate it. I did want to add some more, like maybe Cash App or Venmo or even my Zelle, but I gotta create one to put it in the description. But I appreciate you guys for coming through and donate to my channel to help my channel grow and help me get new and better equipment for my channel. I really appreciate it. You guys know that this channel is growing, and it's growing. It's growing pretty fast. I like it. I like it. I love it. But thank you. I appreciate you guys. But anyways, let's get into this video, guys. So I remember years ago, it's like a few years ago, maybe about 3-4 years ago, I had my Toyota Avalon. It was a 07 Avalon, and I noticed that I was driving, right? My AC was on, because you know it's hot. It gets really hot here in Florida. So my AC was on, and then I noticed that no air coming out of the vents. I was like, what's going on? I turned off the AC. Okay, I turned it off for a little while. Turn it back on. It cut back on. I start feeling it. And then after maybe about 5 minutes or less, the same thing. I couldn't feel no air coming out of the vent. So I started doing my investigation. I was like, what could go wrong? Is I'm low on refrigerant? So I went to Walmart. I bought me the whole can with the gauge. And I was low as well. I was low. It wasn't like really, you know, I was like mid. It wasn't, it was low. But anyways, I top it off. I put it back up into the green. But I still notice that when I have my AC on, it'll run. I feel the air coming out the vents. I turn it up on the high fan with the AC on. And I just noticed that after a while, you hear the AC is on, but you're not feeling no air. You feel me? It'll blow on one side, and on the other side, no air coming out. So I was like, what can this be? I did my research, did more investigation, and I found out it was this guy right here. At the time, this was really cheap. I got it at the auto store for maybe about, I think it was like 60, 70 or 80 bucks. I can't remember the exact price. But I went and I bought it, and I was like, you know what? I'm not going to even take it to the shop to get it installed. So this is your blower motor, guys. Without this, you are not going to feel no air coming out of the vents. You are not. So I went to the auto store, I bought it, and I installed it myself. This right here, the blower motor, is basically located underneath the passenger, under the glove box, like at the bottom. Like if you remove that plastic piece by your foot area, underneath the glove box, by your foot area, and you pull it out, you're gonna see it. It's gonna basically hanging like this. So you're probably not going to see this part, but you're going to see the bottom piece. You're going to see the bottom part. So it's going to look something similar like this. It's going to look just like this. So it takes, I don't know what screws they're going to use. I can't remember. I did it myself, but it's one right here, a screw right here, another screw, another screw. I'm distracting myself. It's right there, one right here as well, and one right there. So that right there, that's how I had got it out, and I replaced it. This one still actually works, because I took this one out of the Then I took it out of 07. Nah, I didn't take the other 07. This one actually worked. This is like the original one. Oh yeah, what I did, I took the one that was in the 07 and I put it in this one, in the 08. This one was the original one that's in the 08 for the 08. This one never went bad yet, but I didn't want to go through that same problem, so I took out the one from the 07 and I replaced it and put it in the 08 and capped the original one. So this one say Denso. You probably can't even see it, but it said Denso right there. Hopefully you guys can see it, read that. It's a Denso. So this is the original one that actually came with the car. This is a 16-year-old car, so this one is still working, but I just replaced it and put the new one that I had bought from the 07 in there, because the 07 is done for. It's crashed, it's total. So I was like, you know what, let me try to take out as much part out of it and hold it, whatever, or use it if there's any need. So the blower motor is very important. Without the blower motor, you are not going to feel no air coming out your vents. And that's the fact. You're not going to feel no air coming out the vents. So if you guys, anybody going through that problem with their Toyota, with any car, and you know your AC was working fine and everything, you just drive in and then all of a sudden, you can't feel no air coming out of your vents no more. This is the cause right here. This is the culprit, your blower motor. When your blower motor go bad, you're not gonna hear the motor coming from the passenger side. Because I noticed, I was like, why is it so quiet? I can't hear nothing. Like, you know, when you turn on your AC, you usually hear you know your car. You're gonna hear some sound coming from the passenger side, and you're gonna notice, you turn it on and you're not hearing nothing coming from that side. You'll be like, and you're not gonna be feeling no air coming out your vents. So guys, I just want to let you know, the problem is your blower motor. As I said, I was new, you know, I didn't really know that much about cars. I did my own investigation. Yeah, the internet is there. I saved a lot of money because I didn't even go to the shop. I just went to the auto parts store, I bought the blower motor, and I installed it myself. You just look it up where it's located. And at that time, I don't think they had a video. I don't think they had a video for my car. I think that I did a video on it. It was so complicated because I had like so many different tools, but it was just the main one that I needed to take out the whole thing, and I got it replaced. But yeah, if you guys not feeling no air coming out your vents, most likely it's your blower motor. You try to top it off with refrigerant, with the gauge. You see the gauge is in the needle is in the green. That means you're good. You have enough refrigerant. You don't need to fill it all the way up, because once it's like in the green, it show you on the gauge that it is good. But most likely the culprit is your blower motor, guys. I had to learn that when I was young and I didn't really know much. So that's a symptom of a bad blower motor. You're not going to get no air coming out of your vents, and that's about it. But I do want to thank you guys for supporting me, for leaving comments. If you have any comments, if you have any questions, put it in the comment section. If I could help you guys with any situation you got going on with your vehicle, once I encountered that problem before, I will let you know. I would gladly help you and let you guys know what could be the issue with that. I have a lot of different issues before with a few vehicles. I owned a Chevy before, a Chevy Blazer goes way back, like back in 2009 when I had bought my first vehicle. It was a 2001 Chevy Blazer, and I had multiple issues with it. So I encounter different issues, a lot of different issues with that vehicle. So if you guys let me know in the comment section whatever issue you go through with, maybe I had encountered that issue before, I will let you guys know what it is. You know, we out here, we trying to save money, but the easiest thing, just go to the shop, go to the auto parts store, get you the blower motor, and it's gonna locate. Let me show you guys where it's located. It's locate under here, right under there. Just gotta remove that black thing, that black plastic piece. Make sure when you're taking it off, you don't break it. You don't want to break it, but that's just to block everything and you don't see nothing. But it's located right under here. As you remove that and you go right up under there, you are going to see the blower motor, guys. It's located right under there, and you're not gonna have that much space. You know, you gotta push the seat back and everything. Just take your time, don't kill yourself. But most of the time, when you're not feeling no air coming out your vents, most of the time this is your culprit, the blower motor. But thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate the love and support. I will be bringing more videos and issues that I had encountered with cars. So to help you guys out, we all out here trying to save money, not to spend money. We trying to save money. You know, we don't want to be in the shop all the time, 24 hours, you know, in every, you know, we trying to save out here. But thank you guys for watching. If you guys want to donate, go to the link is in the description for my PayPal. You could donate whatever amount of money you want to donate to me. I really appreciate it to help my channel grow. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. I can't thank you guys enough. Thank you so much. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. Share my videos out. Leave a comment if you have any car questions. If I know it, I will let you know I will let you guys know. If I know is the issue. If I don't know, I'm gonna let you guys. I don't know. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna let you guys know, or I'm gonna give you an idea what it could be of whatever symptoms you're going through or you're having. But thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Appreciate the love and support. Peace, bye, take care, and God bless. Peace.